How to create AI effects. You can select your favorite edge color. Adjust your hand motion with the following transition of the edge color. You can add or less your edge value. Customize your RNB value. You can add or less your value effect. Adjust your effects with the hand transition. Make your video interesting with these effects and following these transition effects. And that is your final result. Thank you for watching this video. Master the mobile video editing with these all steps and subscribe for more related video.